We love using Flipsnack. It has a lot of interactive elements. It's very intuitive to use. I would compare it to a software like Canva in the sense where you don't have to be a designer to use it. So before, when we were doing customer presentations, we were doing PowerPoints, and those were up to 45 slides, and it became quite cumbersome to people, and their eyes would start glazing over. This way with Flipsnack, we're sending out a document that's 10 to 20 pages, but they're interactive, and we notice that the average time that people are spending is over 11 minutes. Other key results are our increase in brand awareness. Overall on social media, especially in January, it's increased by 650%. We're constantly editing our brochure with new launches or with a change of our branding. And it's nice and it can be done with just a click of the button. And we know that our customers can look at it in real time and see the update. Our sales reps appreciate that they can give us any feedback and we can make changes in real time. And they can see 30 seconds later, oh my gosh, she's already made the changes that I asked for. And we wouldn't be able to do that without Flipsnack. Beyond that, I like that we have an interactive table of contents built in. So if you have a larger brochure for the customer, they can actually skip ahead to parts that are most important. And once they're on that page, at the bottom of the page, you can go back to contents easily. We have embedded product videos and case studies. So there's interactive photo features showing different warehouse applications as well. We have lead generation forms, so we're actually holding on to leads that we get from customers. And it has offline capabilities that we've recently used at a trade show we went to called ProMat in Chicago. We were using them to quickly go over our Radioshuttle solutions. And as people know in the business, you only have 5 minutes to make a good impression when you're on the floor. Support at Flipsnack, they are the heavyweight champs. Anytime I have something to ask them, they have an answer for me, usually within like 3 minutes. If it's anything more complicated, they will go out of their way to implement it into their software just so that we can use it. They're so helpful, so kind, and it's a reason why we are going to continue to do business with Flipsnack. The greatest way we hope to grow with Flipsnack is to implement animations through iframes so that people can actually walk through a Radioshuttle system so they can imagine what it looks like in their warehouse. We also want to implement 3D models so that people can toggle our shuttle from all angles and learn about all the different parts and makings of it. So I would say that Flipsnack is the only solution. As the original in our industry, we take pride in continuously setting the standard, and Flipsnack helps us push even further, increasing the gap and keeping us ahead.